Well, we've gone through the process now in this VTC Quick Start course on responsive website design with Adobe's Dreamweaver CS6. We've gone through the process of first understanding the problems with a static site, in that in today's multi-browser world that involves people using desktop PCs with the almost myriad of screen sizes that they offer, and also tablets, be it Apple or Android, or even the ubiquitous use of mobile browsing by everyone from 12-year-olds up to 80-year-olds. Well, owing to the many types of browser, as we are now aware, it's problematic to run a static fixed width site. That's not to say people can't pinch and squint into their mobile as they browse a static site, because yes, they can do that, but many users are demanding a more responsive site that does just that. It responds to the browser being used. We started this Quick Start course by looking at an extension made by WebAssist called Site Sculptor. It's now part of their Design Extender extension. And to balance the course, we finished with extensions as well. And really, that's what this Quick Start course has focused on. It's been designed to allow experienced Dreamweaver users to get their first impressions and information on the variety of ways to make a responsive website that flexes and responds automatically to the browser being used at that point. Now, I've not gone through the aspects of Dreamweaver that require all the necessary knowledge of putting together a site from scratch, because this course is designed for Dreamweaver users who have that page building knowledge under their belt. Instead, it's focused on developing the initial skills to get started with responsive website design. And after initially looking at that WebAssist extension, I progressed into looking at the Fluid Grid Layout function that's now part of the Creating a New Document function integrated into the current version of Dreamweaver, CS6. We looked at how fluid grids work and how to piece together the methods required when blended with the use of media queries to build a first template that can be used to develop the site later with all those skills a static website designer will have under his or her belt. We then progressed to looking at using Dreamweaver CS6 extensions again, in particular a couple made by Project 7, so that all the hard work of hand-coding HTML, CSS and media queries is done for us. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this course, and I hope you've gained enough information from it to be able to start building your own Fluid Grid Layout sites, either by using the function within Dreamweaver, or if you need to save some time, by using extensions made by, well, quite a number of different companies, to be quite honest. I realised I've focused on a couple here by Project 7, but if you do a Google search, you will find many companies offering the same sort of facility. Okay, right, I'm going to finish up here then, and I hope to talk to you again soon.